In this video, you're gonna see 5 best budget denim jackets you can buy this winter season. And you're gonna see brown color, olive green color, 3 shades of blue. Having said that, I got all these jackets from Flipkart, which is India ka fashion capital. I like Flipkart for a few reasons. It is one of the best value for money platform where you can find more than 10 lakh plus styles starting from 199 rupees. That means you're not limited to options. You can find genuine high quality national as well as international brands. On top of that, you can also find hand-picked selected styles from influencers that's gonna be refreshed on a weekly basis. All the jackets in this video are Flipkart issued, that goes through 6 quality checks, and on top of that, easy returns and exchanges and 48 hours delivery. That's always a bonus to have. Having said that, let us get started with the denim jacket number 1, which is one of my favorite. It is the brown color full sleeve denim jacket from Highlander. I got this in a size of medium and I got this at a price point of close to 900 rupees because on Flipkart for winter wear you can get from 40 to 80% off. In specific for jackets, hoodies and sweatshirt you can get from 40 to 60% off. This one I got more than 60% off, bringing down the price point close to 900 rupees. What exactly I liked in this jacket? Number 1, it's the color. Of course, the blue color denim jacket is the first color to go in case if you want to invest in a denim jacket. But if you're already covered with that, make sure that you go with this color or any of the pop colors. This is not exactly pop color, it's actually a neutral color to have, but this color really goes well with the darker as well as the lighter colors. That's why I love this color. It do not have any harsh contrast unlike the black color, and partially like a blue color. It do not have a harsh contrast with the lowers or with the t-shirts or any base layer you're gonna use. Number 2, it's the fit. It is a slim fit jacket and it fits really well. In terms of the overall length, it ends well, and in terms of the fit also, it is not having a boxy fit. It fits really well. Number 3, the composition of the jacket, it's a cotton blend and it really feels of high quality one. Unlike few of the denim jackets from the Highlander where the cotton material is super thin, this one, it is moderate in terms of the thickness and the quality seems on par with the H&M and Zara. That's actually a very big thing to say when it comes to Highlander. If you're already covered with the blue denim jacket, or in case if you don't have one also, if you want to stand out from the rest of the crowd and want to have a super versatile denim jacket, this jacket from Highlander at a price point of less than 1000 rupees, it's a must-have. Moving on to the jacket number 2 and a must-have color as mentioned earlier when it comes to denim jackets, it's a indigo blue color full sleeve denim jacket from Highlander that I got it in a size of medium. It is priced at 2300 rupees. I got this somewhere around 800 rupees. There was huge discount going on this one. So let me talk about what exactly I liked. Of course, the color on top of that, they have this orange stitchings going on that gives the vintage vibe to this jacket. And number 2, when it comes to the composition, it's a cotton blend jacket, just like the jacket number 1, but please do note that the material is a little bit on the thinner side when compared to the jacket number 1. And number 3, when it comes to the fit, it's a regular fit jacket, so you're gonna have some extra room when it comes to the waist area, and in terms of the overall length also, it's a tiny bit long. In case if you want the fit as good as the jacket number 1, make sure that you size down for this option. Moving on to the jacket number 3, it is also a blue denim jacket, but here the blue is more inclined toward the raw denim kind of a blue. It's that dark. And this is from Louis Philippe jeans, and this priced very highly at 4000 rupees, and I got this at a price point of 1600 rupees. I feel that for 1600, this is a value for money because of few reasons. 1, even though it's a cotton blend just like the previous jacket, the material here seems to be of very high quality, and the material is thicker than all the other denim jackets which you are gonna see in this video. Number 2, color coordinated buttons. In order to have a cleaner look for this denim jacket, they have gone with the color coordinated buttons, and I really like that because this color of the denim jacket you can use as a semi-formal purpose or a smart casual purpose. Means you can wear smart casuals inside and you can easily rock this one because it generally blends well. It do not have any harsh contrast. Number 3, when it comes to the fit, it is a slim fit jacket and it fits really well. In terms of the overall length also, it ends just right. It do not have any extra room like the jacket number 2. Overall, if you want a high quality well-fitted denim jacket that can last you really long time, this is the jacket for you, and at a price point of 1600, I feel that it's a fair price point. Moving on to the denim jacket number 4, it is a olive green color full sleeve denim jacket from Highlander that I got it in a size of medium. I got this at a price point of 650 rupees. Even though it's listed as a denim jacket, because of how it looks, because of the double chest pockets, and because of how the overall construction looks, I feel that it's more inclined towards the shirt jacket. I included this for this video because it is as good as it gets. Number 1, the color of olive green with the wide stitchings going on. It all together, just like the jacket number 2, it gives that vintage vibe, and that too olive green color. It's super versatile. Number 2, the overall vibe you get with this jacket, be it the double chest pockets or be it the overall relaxed fit of this jacket. I have gone true to size with the size medium, but still the jacket fits a little bit on the boxy side, but as it is more inclined towards the shirt jacket, that's a good thing to have. When it comes to the composition, it is a cotton blended jacket, and I feel that the material is good enough for light winters or for light layering. Moving on to the last denim jacket for this video, but it is not the least. In fact, it is one of the statement option among all the denim jackets you have seen in this video. It is a medium wash denim jacket from Harvard that is priced at 2,300 rupees. I got this somewhere around 950 to 1,000 rupees. Of course, it's a medium wash denim jacket, unlike the darker versions you have seen in this video. In case you have more lighter colors when it comes to the bottom wear, this is the perfect wash to go. And that's not the focus for this denim jacket. Here, the center of attraction would be the red color stripe going across on both sides of the sleeve that you don't generally see on denim jackets. So that's why I have picked. It's a cotton blended denim jacket. The material is thicker for light to moderate winters for sure. When it comes to the fit, it is a slim fit jacket. It fits really well and it also ends really well. In case if you have a budget of less than 1,000 rupees and if you're already covered with the basic options, this could be a good option to consider. Having said that, these are the 5 best budget denim jackets for this video. Also, there is a small giveaway plan for you guys. Make sure that you like this video and comment down which is the favorite option among all the 5 denim jackets shown in this video and what you would like to buy. Once the video crosses 1,000 likes, one lucky winner will be selected and you can pick any of the denim jackets shown in this video in your size. It's on me. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. I will announce the lucky winner there, as well as I will mention in the description once the video crosses 1,000 likes. I think that is it. See you next time.